Today we're going to talk about how writers think about what All About books have. Informational writers make sure that their books have covers and titles to tell readers what their books are all about. The author would always put their name on the book as well to tell everyone that they wrote the book. This author did put their name on the book, but I did not get their permission to share this work. This is from a kindergartner a few years ago, so I took it off for now. This kindergartner also chose a topic that we could all write about. He wrote a book that's all about kindergarten. This book is a copy of his original, so some of the sketches and the coloring that he did when he published did not come out on the copy. While I read his book to you, you'll notice that he had edited his work to make sure that he did all the things that writers do to make their books be the best they can be. And he also used the word you on every page because this book really teaches anyone who reads his book about kindergarten. So he wrote it for boys and girls who were coming to kindergarten to read, to learn all about kindergarten. Often when you teach someone all about something, you would use the word you because you are the teacher, and you would use a teacher voice to write your teaching book. All about kindergarten. You play outside. You learn math. You do writer's workshop. You do calendar. You read books. This page has a teaching picture to show a book, the words, and even the middle of the book. You hatch chicks. This picture is also a diagram, a teaching picture. It's a picture of the incubator that the chicks would go in, the plug to make it work, the eggs that are on the inside, and the fan in the middle to keep the heat going. Okay, writers, today you can make sure that your books have covers and titles to let anyone who reads your book know what your book is all about. Have fun writing today.